Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to crop picture in Photoshop. So let's started. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see crop picture in Photoshop. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now you select from picture. Now click for open. Now open picture, then you show the open picture. Now going to the toolbar option. Now select from crop tool. Now click. Now crop picture, you done it. Now keyboard press for enter. That it's. Now going to the again move tool option. Then it show crop picture in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe me.